Discord, at the Discord. Yep. Yeah. Welcome, welcome. Okay, this is working, isn't it? Good. We have a Discord here. We have the latest subscriber at the top. Chat doesn't seem to be working. Or maybe I just have to restart it or something. But it doesn't seem to be working. But yeah, for now, that's okay. Oh, not this one. The more you actually Whoops. No. Are we streaming now? Am I streaming or not? No. Okay, is my stream on? I don't know. Seems to be there. Yes. Hello. Oha Wana. Good to see you. Aye, yeah. So it's on. Okay, so good. I have people. So that's nice, obviously. That's what we like. Just 1 second. Yeah. Project done. And what are we doing today? I'm back to actually, there is like the project is never done, you know, there is multiple projects there. My main project is sort of out there, and I'm doing like a campaign towards I don't know. I started running. No, it doesn't seem to be running. So I don't know. I have something broken here. I will have to try to figure it out. Maybe I'll watch some tutorials and get to, you know, figure it out. Basically, I wanted to put some money into promotion and see if I can convert some of it to real customers. And obviously, like I'm still in the stage where I'm trying to figure out how to do those things. I also had some people actually offering me some new logos for the project. So this is my current one. And they offered me AI versions, which I think I will refuse all of them. I don't know. I don't think AI logos are that good. Yeah, this is fine. I don't know if it's better. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, looks like there's some artifacts there, so looks very AI actually. Yeah, there are some artifacts here. So the thing is, like, when it would have to be recreated in Illustrator. Planero. Reserve stacked. Yeah, so some of it looks cool actually. It's like, I like the reversed version. Yeah, okay. Not sure. I'm not sure. Actually, for now, I will keep it as it is. Hello, Slow Panda. Good to see you, and good afternoon, evening. I don't know, Mohammed. Good to see you as well. Yeah. So basically, I've tried to run those campaigns, and I can't figure it out. What's broken there? So I will probably have to play on with it, to see how can I spend some money on Google. Like, Google doesn't want my money for some reason, unless it's on YouTube. On YouTube, I figured out how to do campaigns, and they're not very successful, so I'm not really doing it anymore. So yeah, and I'm trying to actually get some campaigns running with some some keywords and stuff, but I don't know, I can't get that out there. So I will probably be playing with it more. Tomorrow I think I'm meeting my my friend who is a marketing person, who might help me actually get it better, to work better, obviously. If you're on Discord, obviously make sure to there is a form if you are interested in working together on a project. So that's the project I will be running. Like, there is a project here, there's a form here, It's pinned to the top, and you can sign up to the group if you are interested. I think it might be fun. We'll see. I think it can be fun to work on, but somewhere next month I will probably get that rolling. I will do 1 hour now because I have an interview for a job, for a full stack job. I think it's like a one with managers, so I will have to actually convince them that I'm the good choice. I want to have that job. Basically, it's very convenient for me, and it would be very convenient for my YouTubing, for me doing SaaS products. I would probably do less SaaS stuff. I wouldn't be able to do as much as I do now. So I would have to probably either hire some people to help me with my SaaS projects, and with YouTube as well. Maybe I would get an editor, and also I would be working on that full stack stuff, with AI and stuff. So it gives me plenty of space to do live streams as well. And then just keep on building what I have. So I would keep on building Planero, which is, Planero I consider as sort of out there and done for now, at least. So I don't have to worry about that. I think pattern market is something that I should actually put more effort into now. So I think one of the problems now is image upload, which I couldn't figure out last time. So I probably have to look at it again today. And I was actually planning to do it now. So let's try to do it within this session. So good to see you guys. Thanks for coming. Let's just go on with the Planero again. So with pattern market, I guess, actually. So that's the one I want to continue working on. So basically we are not able now to upload images. I messed something up there. So that's I think it's Maciej. This one. That's just the password. That's for testing, obviously, so doesn't really get much from here. So we've got my hello null. Okay, so here I've got like what is this here actually? Let's see what's wrong in this section. Here, like, this is my very old project, and here I'm actually using what's the name? React and Redux, traditional good old-fashioned Redux. Header. Okay, let's go to header. I'll try to fix it myself, I will actually benefit from playing with my old code. That was initially set up a couple of years ago. I upgraded everything this year, a couple of months ago, and now I'm actually working on it again. Let's see header actually. Oh, no, not this. Let's go to the header component. So here we do have some sort of login, yeah? Some event listeners. Okay, header, combined menu. I think that was down there. Current route. We are not using it, so why do we actually even have it? So in header, are we passing this combined route? No, there's nothing here. We probably don't need that. We probably used to send it there, but now we don't. We don't use Ingl. That's for translations, yes? I use navigate. Keywords, that's probably for search. Is authenticated. So, okay, let's see the user. Admin menu. Okay, off links. Why are you sad, Slow Panda? Why is my code making you sad? I think it's a nice code actually. It was written way before AI. There are some things that I don't like, but not that much actually. I think it's better than what I'm writing, what I'm shipping now. It's much better than what I see actually, So where's the hello actually? So where is this says hello? Nope. Where does it says welcome or something? button. Okay, let's see where. Nav search. Okay, so we've got search here. Okay, that's the search. And then after search, that's the last component. So we've got search here. And this is user section. Get guest links, logged links. Is this here? So that's user. And user is admin. Admin menu. Doesn't look like I know where to look. Format message. Again, let's just go back to the main thing. Purchase history panel. Creator profile. Oh, I don't have a profile again. So something broke here recently, not too far ago. Because one, this doesn't show me my logins and stuff. Okay, I think I might need to link. Okay, admin order list, pattern list, that's fine. Okay, where do we have like the name? Not here. So we've got admin menu and user admin of links. So now logged links. But we don't really get that good search here. Where is this null coming from actually? Hello. So here. Oh, okay, localhost. Are we okay? I'm not running it. So yeah, let me just see the front end. Yarn start. I'm running everything with different tool. Sometimes I'm just running too many tools. That's fine. Okay, so this one will have the second one will be for the front end. cd npm start. Nope, that's not npm yarn start. Yeah, so hello login. Okay, so this, so I logged in, yes. Yeah, login. What's wrong here? Hello Machi. Okay, now he can see my user, my profile panel. It seems to be there locally. It seems to be working. So why when it's deployed it doesn't? That's the question for nice question for another day. Yes. Let's see. Okay, let me just try. I can see that there's some. Oh, okay, there's some user ID that was implemented later. So let's just update user ID. I think that might actually be fixed. And this one was actually fixed the other day by my AI agent. So that's something I cannot claim ownership of, or like I cannot say that it was me this time. Yeah. Should we play some music? Obviously gonna encourage everyone to. Why Richards? Are we done? Do we not have a Richards here? That is like quite a lot of errors here, isn't it? You should do intro like BridgeMind livestream. I don't know what's BridgeMind livestream doing actually. Let's see. Oh, I think I know. Like there's some techno. He's actually dancing there. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Maybe. And then like run for like how many agents? Like he's like using. This is like okay. This is not really programming, but whatever. Yeah. This is like entertainment basically. This is entertainment, which is good. He's entertaining, so I'm not really vibe coders and builders. Yeah, um, I think like he's quite successful with that, so good job there. But this is not really what most of us can do, unfortunately. You know, and yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't really see a point of, like, for example, like I don't see point in you know, running 1 2 3 4 is it 5 6 wherever agents.
Reference and make sure that you update the app. It doesn't need to look the exact same, but right now that home welcome screen does look the exact same and it's not styled well on mobile, so fix that. All right, so I'm gonna drop in.
Yeah, and like the push-ups are a good idea. You know, I probably should do more of that. And you know, that's nice actually. I think like I'm quite jealous there. You know, in terms of his success, I think he's doing a good job. But like this is not like, I don't really like that kind of programming. You know, I don't really like to do like multiple agents. I'd still like, I feel like I don't like my output often from my one agent, and I try to actually, like, if I can, I will try to avoid that as much as possible. Although here, why is it not seeing Richards? Do I have to reinstall it or something? Yeah, so it's a very entertaining channel, I must say. You know, I don't want to be watching that, but yeah, I think my Richards is not installed or something. I can see that it's some packages are not. I don't know why, because oh, but this is, am I doing it on? Okay, I'm doing it on front end. That's good. I actually like, personally, I started disliking, but you said vibe coding the planner SaaS app. Yes, but like, you are right. I was saying that I was vibe coding, and I do vibe coding, so you know, still. What I'm saying is basically like, if there is like multiple agents working, I don't really, yeah, okay. I don't even know. Yeah, so you got me. You got me here. I am actually vibe coding some stuff. I had some streams where I'm vibe coding, so obviously, and I was obviously vibe coding planner up, but like the more I do it, the less I like it, basically. And I don't think like, as I'm saying, like working with one agent is more than like it's producing more code than I want to see even, or I ever would like to review. So having like multiple agents, that only means that I will know about my app even less, you know, because those agents will be actually doing all the job and all the learning like about my app. So even here, like sometimes, you know, I ask AI to do something, and then like I'm looking at the code, but I still don't understand what was done. So I'm just imagining that if there is more agents, there is more basically code that I don't understand, and I will have more trouble actually with my own app. But yeah, maybe, you know, the thing is like there's multiple people doing different things, so you know, someone else will actually do it differently, and like you can see that BridgeMind is a successful YouTuber, you know, so maybe he's doing it better than me. And yeah, so I'm not saying like, you know, I'm not actually dissing totally like vibe coding, and I feel like I you know, I think I've built a pretty cool tool. But one, I enjoyed programming better before I vibe coded. Maybe it requires more energy. BridgeMind guy is like 23, but that's not only about that, I think. There are very popular channels as well that, you know, that are a different age. But yeah, I think like that there are those things, you know. I think they're doing the dips, yeah, cold dips and push-ups and stuff. That's obviously a fun thing, you know. And playing techno and doing those things. This is obviously entertaining stuff. So like, maybe I should be doing more of that if I wanted to. I'm okay. I want to have more audience, but I'm actually not interested in listening to techno music, for example, or doing push-ups or stuff, you know. Maybe I should actually. Push-ups I should do for my health reasons. That would be better. But like, it's just, you know, it's just his style. It fits him well, and he does the best job with that. I think my style is different, and I'm kind of enjoying the way I am doing that. I don't want to be actually changing because it's popular now, you know. I can change some things, but not too much about myself, I guess. Yeah, let's see. Okay, now it's working, yes. And now we have a hello undefined. So when I log back in, and like, okay, like what's his app actually, Bridgemind? Because like other day I was watching this guy. Yeah, and some apps are actually like, I don't know, people are building apps and they don't seem that impressive. Like this is something that if someone is like 150 days into the project and if he wouldn't use AI agents, I don't know if he wouldn't be as far as this. I'm not really sure. You know, other day I was watching this Mo guy's app, and it looked like a simple page that you could set up in 2 days of just normal coding. I just don't really. So, like for example, I've got some websites that I've set up quickly, and yeah, I don't know what's Bridgemind's thing. Bridgemind, yeah. So what's his actually product? Because Bridgemind AI, yes. Build the future, home of vibe coding movement. Okay, so this is like some sort of a group, yes? This is like some sort of AI tool. So I'm guessing like agent 1, shared context. Okay, native 5. Yeah, okay. So this is like a coding agent for like with a voice or stuff. So we are using some API endpoints. This is actually quite a lot. Bridge MCP. I like this animation actually. It's HTML. Nice. Start building. Yeah, okay, whatever. I think it looks cool, maybe. But like my question is like if he's selling this product, yes, for coding, so why is he using like the Claude? Yes, he's using multiple Claude agents. Or did I get it incorrect? Bridge MP, give your AI teammates shared memory. Orchestrate autonomous teammates directly from our code base. Connect cursor, okay, cursor, yes. Agentic ecosystems. Bridge space. So you've got like multiple. Okay, so now this is like, okay, whatever. Let me not, okay, maybe he has he's making better money. So maybe if this is actually, this is what's this is what we want as an output, that's fine, I don't know, like I would have to think of like how to better. The thing is like I chose like very traditional project. This is more of AI stuff, and I'm not really like, I don't know, I would have to look into his products and see what he's actually like doing here. Yeah, voice code in action. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that might be great. And obviously he's more entertaining than me, so I shouldn't be, I'm not dissing him or anything, I think it's a good channel. I just like, this is different style than I'm doing and different type of app. So one man fire on team. Don't get that, but probably. Bridgemind portal access. Multi-agent swarms, email support. Yeah, I don't really like this multi-agent stuff anymore. I don't think it's so crazy fun. And I also like, the thing is like, there is a, we are talking about featuring releasing products, and then you have to have like people to buy your products, in order for them to be profitable. If everyone is making products, who is buying those products? With software. So you have to convince people to buy it, and obviously he's selling it to people. Maybe there is advantage in having 50,000 people. Bridgemind don't have team. Yes. I know. He's made by It's made by one guy. Yeah, but obviously, like I'm not trying to I'm not complaining. I mean, maybe I'm complaining, but he's very successful. He's way more successful than I am in this thing. He's doing like really long live streams. I think that's a good idea. I do like a short ones comparing to that, because sometimes after an hour I start getting really influx of people. Sometimes after 2 hours or something. Like sometimes it just jumps. So it's obviously like it's better way to do it. I mean, it's a pretty good way to do it. And the app is probably, you know, it's people are buying, so he's actually obviously achieving a good goal. Yeah. So congratulations if you are watching. He's not watching me, but yeah. Day 151 into is crazy. Yes. But like he's doing like 8 hours streams, you know, 12 hours stream, you know, so that's a long one. Yeah,
but this one was sick. Like this one was. Sam, what do you want?
yeah, good. So is this like his tool? Oh yeah, this is okay. This is breach space, so this is his agent. Yes. Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe I have plenty to learn actually about vibe coding even.
And those, to the 10 people who do get that coupon code.
Yeah, okay,
Same
cool,
thing with the Google Maps scraper.
Presenting my $1 billion plan. I want to watch PewDiePie. I obviously want to watch PewDiePie. He's obviously very entertaining. Okay, so what's my problem? My problem is my undefined user. Yes. So, pattern market. Oh, here it's actually seeing my user. Good. Okay, so now my, because I just deployed newer version. So okay, we've got my login here. Goodbye, all the best. Thank you. Thanks for coming, Slow Panda. Good to see you again. Hello, undefined. Okay, it's obviously a. So where is my user ID? So that's my auth. It's authenticated. Guest links. Logged links. User. This doesn't pass any links. Okay. Is authenticated. Logged links. Guest links. So where are we? Guest links. Oh, okay, here. Login. Okay, so that's guest links. Oh, login. Default message login. Site login. Guest links. Okay, logged in links. Boy, like admin menu links here. Okay, here drop down username. So what's with this use selector? Name. So log user and username. What's, I used to play with selectors back then. They're basically for selecting something in your state. F5. Trying to get it done myself now. Okay, so this is my users. Handle, okay. User.handle or user. Yeah, handle. So what and what are we trying to pass here? So we've got user.handle, yeah? So I'm not really, do I need username anymore? No. Username selector. Okay, so, okay, Maciej, my profile. So now here again, my profile is not being passed. Log out. Hello guys. Oh, good to see you. Suddenly people join in. Like 10 at the same time. I mean, not at the same time. So yeah, if you are not subscribed, make sure to do that. I will appreciate that. Maybe because I was watching a Mindbridge, who is like the most popular channel doing what I'm doing actually. Started earlier. He's playing techno, obviously, and doing push-ups. All those things seem to contribute a lot. And he does like multiple agents. I think people like that, you know. People like just to watch a dream come true. So he's actually showing you how to do it, like, you know, like a quick style and stuff. Although like there is, it's also his personality that is pretty entertaining. So I think like I'm quite jealous about his results, and I think he's doing quite fun stuff. But don't go there. Don't go there. Watch me. Keep on watching. What did I want to do actually? I forgot now. Oh, okay. So there's some problems I'm having with my user stuff here. Yeah. So okay. So here I'm user.id. What's my user ID? Okay, this is user ID. Yes. Yeah. My profile. So yeah, I'm expecting to see in my profile log out. Let's log back in. Yeah, the thing is like initially oh no, error. Let's fix those errors with AI, obviously. I could half links handle. Also, obviously, I'm passing something that might not always be here. So let's just do that, or username, or user email, or user something. So obviously this is fixed now. Handle, yeah, we fixed that. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that's better. So why is this bad request? Yes. Profile user. Okay. Bad request. This one I will send to AI actually. In this case, profile not found. I'm getting this error on this endpoint. Basically, I didn't do it for a while, and I think it's better if I just give it to AI. Message. That's response. Obviously, it doesn't find the profile, but it's actually a real profile that I seem to be logged in. And obviously here, where is it? Auf? Is it? Preview? No. Here? No. Me? Maybe? No. No. Why? Where are you? Oh, this one. Okay, it seems to be fine. No? Yeah. I'm almost certain it's a valid user. And in like a header, what was the name of this component? In wherever, combine menu. Combine menu, I see his handle. Yeah, let's see. Let's do that. This is actually some matter for my AI to solve. Basically, I worked on this backend sometime, like a long time ago, and I don't remember some of it. And for me to debug it was probably big longer than my AI agent now. So I think I'm trying to explain myself why am I using AI? I think AI is pretty good for some jobs, you know. I think like my next project I will try to limit my use of AI, but I have to figure out how to do it the best, you know. So like there's still some things I'm not sure. Okay, I can see some warnings here that I will have to fix. But yeah, like I think I will have to figure out some better ways to work with AI, basically. I have an interview actually in 25 minutes, so it doesn't cost much. Yeah, so I will keep on doing this stuff. Yeah. What's this? Interview updated. Okay, so okay. Did they move it? They moved that interview? Gmail? Not Gmail, calendar, yes. Interview, yes. So okay, so they moved actually from so I can stay longer. Good. Because I'm supposed to have like a job interview with this international thing today. And then it's tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow at 11. I don't know if it's better or not. More time to prepare, although I'm not really going to prepare anything. Just like, yeah. Although it's very convenient. It would be convenient job for me. Like one of the easy, I think like quite easy job for me. And I wouldn't really have to worry too much on, I could actually still work on live streams and stuff, YouTube and Planner and my stuff. Although I would have to maybe go to the office occasionally and stuff like that. Okay. Oh, no, let's not go here. Great news. I found the issue, context, and can pinpoint the fix quickly. Next, I will inspect backend, profile, route, and controller logic to identify why the profile lookup fails for the valid user ID. That's good. Do you think if I listen to techno, would my live streams get more views? I wouldn't like to listen to techno, but who knows? Maybe it's actually a way to monetize this thing better. Maybe if I was like a dancing, doing like a strobe lights, maybe. Oh, a bunch of people just came. Good to see you guys. Maybe YouTube is actually promoting me again. What a nice thought would be. Like what a nice idea it would be, you know? Like when sometimes I see like extra 5 or 10 people just jumping in. So obviously it seems like YouTube just rediscovers me. Like, oh yeah, there's this guy again. That I can point people to. Okay, let's see my profile. Okay, bad response again. Let's go here again. Yes, login. Okay, yeah, the name is correct. No, and here it's panel. Okay, what's this my profile thing? Why doesn't it? No profile yet. Do I not have a profile? Okay, let's try that. Create a profile. Maciej. Yeah. Okay, choose image. This image thing doesn't work. Twitter.x. Okay, I have a profile now. my profile. Okay, so no, it doesn't find it. F12. Ooh, this is Firebase. What's this thing? It keeps on like, oh, it's actually doing quite a lot of. Oh, okay. I will have to fix this problem again with the image upload. That's fine. That's something I know I have to fix. What's this actually? Failed. Yeah, they're just the same errors. Yeah. Can you check what's this? Can you check what's this? Errors. Those are errors actually. Okay, so I just have a phone call. I'll be back in a second. Yep. Let's just play some music. I think obviously that this is what makes popular YouTubers. Although, like, I'm not really. I usually play like a traditional Polish folk, like somewhere deep in the background. Best royalty, best free. YouTube video music, no copyrights. Let's see if I can find anything interesting. So background, royalty free music for videos. Well, the epic. Oh, okay, I tried actually those are horrible sometimes. I mean, some of them I'm actually using sometimes. It's like Lord of the Rings. Yeah, let's have that. So, oh, that's my profile, yes? No. So here, where's my profile? Where's my profile now? Repeat, bonus note. Quick local test. Oh, okay, so that's actually Firebase storage. I should have actually read it myself. Code path. Great news. The error is clear and self-contained. Excellent work. Excellent work. So is it telling me that it did excellent work? So it's obviously course. Okay, so that's something I can skip for now. But yeah, there is like in profiles. Yeah, let's just fix that one actually. In profile page, I don't my profile despite being logged in. Yeah, okay. Oh, let's just move me. I'll just move myself here to the corner, to the other corner, so you can actually see this stuff. Is this be good music or not? I'm obviously torn between, what to play. So, okay, I'm logged in, obviously, my profile. Let's see. What's your means? Okay. Why this happens after last course fix path? No, that's not this actually, is it? Current stage, good progress, root cause is clear, fantastic. We are already tracked, then we're complimentary AI agent. I really love him. tells me like, fantastic, great job, you're the best, you know. Issue and behavior you're seeing is exactly the same symptom. Two possibilities: remain, get profile user ID. It's still failing because database profile is not found. That user ID, the profile uses the wrong ID. Type profile ID versus user ID, and it's what's user means. Okay. See, like this is backend looks for this looks the same actually. Why this happens after the last course fixed path? If auth payload come from profile me and user ID incorrectly, auth links might have given a profile ID instead of user ID. Okay. What to check immediately? Get. Okay, so get API profile user. Yes, do I get that actually endpoint? F12. Do I get this call actually here? Patterns user. Me? Profile me. Okay, I'm asking for profile me there. I'm getting user details. This, yes. And it gives me that output. And it gives me this response. It gives me this response. Open DevTools network. So yeah, I'm not really doing this call. Oh no, yeah, network. Me. Yeah, it seems like this one is used for user, yes. Yeah, because this should be actually displaying there. API profile user. So this one, yeah, so there are two endpoints actually doing the same, are they? So this I call profile user, yes, API profile me gets me the same. Gets me the same. Yeah, okay, I'm not really sure actually what am I pointing it to even. This is yeah. Yeah, like some of the stuff like, oh, Raptor Mini. Why am I using the free agent? Yeah, let's see if it figures it out. See if this sometimes I'm getting informed by my okay, no, I think it's the music that I'm playing is safe. It's very very Lord of the Rings, obviously. Or actually there was a movie with Tom Cruise with what is the movie? Where like there's like a like Earth is being you know, everything from the Earth is being removed. And the music there is very similar. Restart the backend and sure, okay, let's see if okay, maybe I'm actually Yeah, maybe I should have actually thought about that earlier. Thanks for letting me know to restart my backend actually. And frontend as well. Let's do both. Okay, so I have my... Yeah, okay. Yeah, my profile works. My panel works. Purchase history. There's no purchase history. My profile. Okay. I think I'm happy with this output. So now let's just start fixing the image problem because it seems to be a major one, yes? Um, it's like 12, like 30-minute song. It's longer than Michael Jackson used to make. Journey to the Stars. Okay, so now this should actually show the real me. Yes, this is just image that I used at the, like back then. Mm. So I was just cut off again. Like today it seems to be my electricity seems to be turned off. It's second time. Like there was one this morning and now the second time. So but luckily I have obviously there is a battery in my laptop that can last for a while. And then I have a phone that I can use as a hotspot. Yes, so that's how I managed to get through that profile. Is it running? Yeah, I don't know. Where are we live streaming? Let's restart this. Connect your encoder to go live. I thought I'm connected. Yeah, I am connected. Good. And welcome guys. Sorry for that. I think I get some problems with my internet. I was getting some problems, so now I'm fixed. I'm done. So, okay, what's okay, I think like let's just start fixing the upload, image upload thing. Um, the Firebase. So basically, I'm using like some sort of Firebase bucket to hold images. I have to actually, I feel like I should reconfigure it from scratch. I can't really get. Yeah, I think I can't really get something working here. Maybe let's try. They have this AI here, Gemini. I have problems with course when trying to. So basically, like when I try to upload image. Oh no. This is my my product. Edit pattern. Ooh, new. Did we like redesign that? This is for like admins. Okay, so I think like we just. So this is actually something I will have to Okay, this is like new page for main admins. My profile. Okay, let's try again. Here. Oh, okay. Okay, my electricity is back. Good. Good move. Good move, my electricity company. You turned me back again. Thank you, guys. Let's connect back. Good. Okay, I think I'm back in. Good. So on the other screen I can... Yeah, okay, good. Good, yeah, working again. Nice. I think I can switch to my main one. Yeah, okay, back in. Back in. Sorry for that. I'm back again. Should be back again. Yes, okay. Hopefully my electricity will stay on for longer. For today. Yeah. So let's keep on going with this... what's the name? With this image upload thing. Because there is a course. I keep on getting those nasty course errors. And course are basically your browser just telling browser security that if it's from different source, it gives us course. That's how the best rhyme I could actually come out with. Yeah, okay, so yeah, okay. They have a... Let's try again to upload something. And I had this working earlier, like it's such a silly thing. Yeah, obviously, so this is cursor. Okay. HubSpot. Oh, okay, I think that's... Now I know, actually. This is like something that I set up somewhere here. Tak? Nie wiem. Okay, this is some bucket URL. Firebase storage. Is there like... They have like hard code somewhere. Weź na Diko 100%, proszę. Nadiko, ja zaraz się tego pozbędę stąd, wiesz? Nie chcę tego, żebyś to robiła. Przepraszam, ale nie jestem w tej chwili w humorze. Where do I set up my Firebase? Network URL. Okay, this URL. No, that's not the one. Tak, Nadiko. Weź sobie jak chcesz. Yeah, okay, what's my bucket actually? I think, oh, that's not the one. Firebase. So I've got my storage here. Is this? Rules. Bucket. Okay, right. Usage. No. This. Okay. So here I'm hitting on this. What should a bucket point? Yeah, where do I set up my endpoint for image upload? My bucket is this. Okay, now no, that's I'm currently using this. And I want to be using something different, yes? This Firebase bucket storage, yes? Upload file, no. Rules, extensions. Oh. Storage. Should I be using this? Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Short answer, use Firebase. Bucket, not manual URL. Great progress. we're pleasant AI agent for me. Thank you. Oh, thanks for subscribing, somebody. Well, it wasn't too long ago. Yeah, thanks for that. Basically, great progress. We're a sweet AI agent. Storage bucket. The answer is your code used the same bucket string as the Firebase config storage bucket. The SDK handler endpoints details, which is correct for your app. Firebase JSON. Yes, that's Firebase JS. Where's my Firebase.json actually? Is it? Or Firebase JS? Firebase React app Firebase API key. Why do I have set up for this stuff? And obviously. Oh, okay. Ooh, so database URL. That's okay. Do I have like the storage bucket here? Ooh, okay. That's probably not the correct one. Yes. This should be this, I guess. Probably I shouldn't be showing that. Yes. App ID. No passwords here, I think. Maybe they are. Okay, I'll probably have to change that before I go to the production. Let's just restart a front end, I think. And back end. Let's see where it gets me. My top of my head is disappearing, yes. Oh, I can see that my top of my head is being hidden. Yeah. Let's try to actually upload it now. my profile. Can I do it here? Choose image. Firebase, Google APIs, React type, Firebase API key. Okay, that's probably not a good one. Why is it not using it actually? So what's my Firebase API key? Okay, I'll just move it to the other screen, not to flash this information. API key. Oh, okay, so maybe I have to also check my API key actually in the Firebase here, extensions. Okay, I will install this one later. Okay. Oh, storage bucket. Okay, I just made like the stupidest mistake, obviously. Although I will not be showing it. This is... API key. Don't know actually. I'll just restart this baby. So I restart the front end and back end. Yeah, I'm just hiding it on the other screen. I don't want to be flashing those details there. I might actually change it later, or I will probably have to change it later on my own. Rules. Oh, those are actually... This will probably have to be edited. No. Seems to be working better or something. Something seems to be happening. Okay, let's try. Okay, no, not this. No? Profile created. Okay. My profile. Edit profile. Choose image. Okay, it doesn't show errors. Or it does. Permission denied. Okay, I think I have some... That's fine. Okay, that at least... Fires... Maybe, okay, maybe that's... This one I will actually bounce by this AI here. I have problems with my Firebase image storage bucket. I'm using this as address where I'm sending the file, and I get this response. Code for free, and I'm getting this response. For free, access denied. Okay. getting this response. Maybe let's see if this one will figure it out. Maybe. Police strict origin when cross, but because this is not course, is it? Bucket. Also, the permission denied message indicates that the client making the request does not have the necessary permissions to upload. Okay. Common issue and often boils down to how your Firebase security rules and cloud storage confirmed by default. The Firebase storage. Oh, okay. So is this like again the cursor? No, just some 403. So at least I'm not getting course errors now. I'm getting this permission error. Another potential cause, especially if you're making requests from the difference origin. But this is not course. No, it doesn't seem to be course. Yeah, okay, let's just watch someone. Can you... Let's try this actually on my whatever code editor. I'm having this problem when all files oh yeah. Great news, the failure mode is clear and fixable. Excellent finding, you are now seeing the exact permission issue in the upload endpoint. This is not React bug, but it's a Firebase storage bucket auth rules configuration. You're pointing to wherever. The bucket should be per config as your data. Mismatching rules. Okay. How to fix it? Correct bucket name. Should go to URL base. Import get storage. Ref. Upload bytes. Okay, so let's... Nie wiem, not Rules version 2, Firebase storage, B bucket, all paths, read, write, if true. Oh, why this rule? If request time. What about if true? Let's just do if true here. Like this makes no sense actually. True. Oh no, no, Da Vinci, no, Da Vinci. Let's not do this. So why do you... Choose file, let's try again. Okay, 4. Yay! Working. Not fine. Okay, because it's polling basically. Nice. Okay, so I made it work. I fixed this part, so we can upload it now. Now I will just set up like there are some packages I can set up here to process my images. Okay, so probably I will see something here now. Yes. Yeah, images and some images and some folder, and this is my logo here. That's good. So it has been uploaded. Seems to be working. I think I will go for a run. I'll have a break. It's kind of slow live stream, so I think it will not be missed too much. So, but yeah, thanks guys for coming. I think I'm happy I fixed this one. I will actually start later. I will start implementing some rules and extension. There's an extension I should do, so I'll play with that stuff. And or is it set up now? Yeah, I think it's actually running. Reconfigure extension. Okay, so that's fine. So actually, I think I have it working. I will probably have to check how to do thumbnails and stuff like this. But for now, I think I will just skip it. For now, let's be happy with what we have here. This image upload works. My campaign doesn't work. That's something that I will have to check later, but I don't really know what to do with it for now. So I'll have to play with it later. Yeah, so as I was saying, I will have a break for now. Go for a run. And then I should be back later. I think I'll have to take my daughter to one lesson, and then I will have enough time after run. I think I'll be fine. Okay, I will go for a run and then be back with work, more grind. Grinding is the most important thing we can do now. So obviously I just want to get this thing working properly, and then I will start working again on the features here. So I don't really touch this app in terms of features for a while now. So now I will be actually back on working on it. So yeah, thanks for coming. I will be back later. See you later.